Today is how to build a bird. Start off with 1x2 with technic brick. Then this red slope like that. And this like car thing, you're gonna stick it on backwards like that, and you're gonna do it 2 times so it looks like this. And then you're gonna take then 1x1 with handle, and it has to be like this. And then you're gonna take a slope, these slope pieces, add it on there, and makes a perfect piece. And then this is tricky. You're gonna add it right onto the bottom, add that back on, make 2 of the wing pieces, add it on, back on, and that is how you build a bird.